Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the bargain bead box for April of 2026. If you're not familiar with it, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. The monthly boxes are $24.99 a month and they're valued at over $60, but most of them, like last month's box was at, I think, $99 it was valued at, so you get a great deal with these. So I will leave a coupon code and a link to their website below. Let's see what we have here. This one is valued at $102. It's called Making Waves Collection. It says, we're dreaming of the sea with this beachy palette, a Mezanite beads in a variety of shapes and sizes combined with chunky fossil coral, green angelite pebbles, a fun glass bead mix, and sparkling crystal accents. High quality findings in stainless steel and brass complete the collection, including wavy motifs and a fancy fold-over clasp. Okay. Ooh, pretty. I feel like I'm on Siesta Key right now. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Oh yes, and I saw, look at this little sandy seashore glass bead mix. This is so pretty. I love that they did this. This is different. They don't usually give us this kind of, you know, a little thing like that. There's a fold over necklace. Okay. Let me see here. Love, love, love the colors. Okay. Oh, yes, and that's right. I saw these too. So cool. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the 35mm flower Mezanite gently faceted teardrop pendant. This is really pretty. And Lauren said that each one would be a little bit different, you know, because when you're dealing with gemstones, there's different grooves and, you know. So this is pretty. I always put a bead cap on here. I've done it in my past videos just to kind of hide that hole and to decorate that. I'll probably do that in this video. So we got that. And then number 2 is 25 by 13mm flower Mezanite faceted teardrop pendant. This is really pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I'm really excited about this collection this month. Number 3 is 8mm Mezanite matte round beads, 7 inches. I love when they give us some matte along with some sparkly, because it adds different textures to your jewelry, different layers of texturing, and these are pretty. Okay. And next, number 4 is 4mm Mezanite Rondelle Beads, 7 inches. Oh, these are pretty. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. I love all the different shapes and colors, and these are nice and tiny. These are great for spacers. Just add a pop of color to your jewelry. You know I'm all about the pops of color. Number 5 is Fossil Coral Tumbled Nugget Beads, 7.5 inches. Oh, hello. Oh, are these gorgeous? Look at these. Wow. Oh, these are so pretty. They're so shiny. Oh, I love these. These might be my favorite. Out of the bag already. Okay, and number 6 is 7 to 8mm flower Mezanite English cut round beads, 7 inches. I love English cut. Because they have just, that gives it that unique shape to them. See, and they all look a little different, the different grooves and different colors, and striations on them. Very pretty. And number 7 is 6mm flower Mezanite matte round beads, 15 inches. Okay, so we have some more matte ones. Like I always say, this alone, you could just make yourself a nice little bracelet. Very pretty. Love. Okay. And next, number 8, green Angelite Tumbled Pebble Beads, 14 inches for $8.99. Oh, this is pretty. Very pretty. Look at that one. Everyone's got a unique little shape and like some waves in there, and so pretty. And I'm excited to open up this next one. Let's see, I think they should fit in here. Number 9 is Glass Bead Mix in Sandy Shore. We don't usually get like seed beads, a bargain bead box. Oh, yes. So this is, oh, look at these. Get little fish, little starfish. Look at these. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh, look at the fish. I love it. Oh, and you got some barrel beads. Oh, look at these. These look like they're right off the ocean. Yeah, and then look at, you get pretty little seed beads. It looks like they're all the same size. I'm not really sure. Can't tell. They look like they're like an 8, an 8-0. But this is so pretty. I'm gonna leave this out of there. And number 10 is 4x3mm crystal Rondelle beads in matte coral pink AB, 15 inches. Oh, hello, these are gorgeous. Oh, these are really pretty. These are really pretty. Yes. Love. Okay. And next, 11 is 4mm crystal faceted round beads in Seafoam Shimmer. And there's 12 inches. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at that. Ooh. Hello, glitter. This would be pretty combined with the matte ones. I love having a lot of multi-textured things on my jewelry. I think it just looks so pretty. And number 12 is 2 pieces of 60 by 18mm stainless steel wavy pendants. So these are really cool. They don't have, okay. Very cool. These would be cool just as earrings, or you could put like a jump ring there and dangle something down. Very pretty. Very pretty. I've never seen anyone with these before like that. And, okay, another one. Number 13 is 1-piece wavy brass pinch bail in silver. Okay, so this has the pinch bail. So you could put something in there. You could stick a bead in there and then you close it shut. Probably glue that maybe just to make sure that it stayed. Yeah, this is really pretty too. Yeah, so you could see those little notches there. Okay. And number 14 is 20 pieces of 7x3mm Baroque textured Nugget spacer beads in antique silver. These are pretty. these are really pretty. I like the silver in this. Of course, I already know what color I'm going to mix to this. Some of these, you know me with my seed beads. Okay, number 15 is 50 pieces of 5x5mm stainless steel bead caps. But you will have to just stay tuned for my video to see what color I'm going to add. I kind of am already feeling it. So these are pretty. They're just little, just little. Excuse my dog. She is crying. She saw a squirrel. She sees a squirrel and she loses her mind. She's been here 3 months now, our baby. Oh, I love her so much. And number 16 is 2 pieces of 17x18mm stainless steel wavy round pendants. Yeah, she thinks that this, when the squirrels come to the front door, that they want the front window, they want to play with her. She doesn't understand that that they're teasing her. So here's these. Very pretty. My husband's calming her down now. Oh, number 17 is 10 pieces of 22mm textured ring links silver, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Oh, these are pretty. I have a really cool idea for this now. She's so funny. She loses her mind when she sees a squirrel or a rabbit. And I think there's a pregnant rabbit living on the side of her house, so the rabbit's always in front of the window and she screams at it. It's so funny. Yeah, these are pretty. I know, I'm like, Piper, you have to leave the rabbit alone. Okay, number 18 is platinum plated brass textured fold over clasp. Okay, this is cool. So it opens like that. It closes like that. Very cool. Oh, I like this. This is really cool. And number 10 is 1 meter of 4x2mm stainless steel dapped oval jewelry chain. Oh, this is really pretty. I don't think I've ever seen this before from them. Very pretty. Oh, really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Making Waves collection. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below. I will also leave links to all of my social media. If you're new here, you can follow me on them. And I do sell most of my jewelry on Etsy after I make it, so you can check out my Etsy website there as well. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and stay tuned because I have some really great ideas for this. So I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day.